cars in 4K. Picking up my new C43 Coupe. It's the night edition package and with the Selenite gray, so it should be pretty fun. Right now I'm gonna go drive it for a couple miles and then have to park it because I have to go on a trip, but after that then we'll do some fun videos with it, as well as here's the other C43 we picked up too, and it's a pretty nice package as well. We're at the Stevens Creek Mercedes and having fun here. So we can just do a quick tour around here and you can jump in the car and view.